What do you do when you purchase a home that was built in the 1850s and you're looking to add high-efficiency heating, air conditioning, and hot water? Well, we're here in Swampscott, Massachusetts, and we're going to show you exactly what we're doing for our customers here today. Let's go have a look. First and foremost, we're really excited to have been asked to perform this installation. Just 3 short years ago, the same customer had us put in a heating system at their previous home. They have since moved and just purchased this home in Swampscott. After the time of purchase, they had asked us to come out to consult for their heating and their cooling needs. So we're really appreciative to be out here, and we appreciate the referral. The installation that we're going to be featuring today is a 95% heating and hot water boiler, along with a 5-zone ductless system. As you can see here, this home is a challenge. There's virtually no space for ductwork. So how do we add air conditioning to a home that was built in the 1850s with no space for ductwork? A ductless system is a very versatile means of adding air conditioning into the home. As you can see as we walk around, we're going to show you some of the really tight spaces that we were able to add air conditioning to all of these rooms. The other challenge of this home is that all of the interior walls were sloped. So we had to find flat spaces where we could install these units, but we had to run all of the lines on the interior of the home. It's a very challenging installation, but we were up for the task. So our installation is currently in progress, but we wanted to start at the outdoor unit. This right here is the condenser, which is the heart of the system. This is going to be able to deliver heating and air conditioning for this customer. We're going to be able to provide 4 tons of heating and cooling all season long. Another challenge of this installation was that there was no basement, so we had no place to mount our branch box. So we decided to utilize this crawl space right here. It was a tight space for sure. And what you're seeing here is all of the interior lines running on the exterior of the home, making their way down to the branch box. This is our first floor unit. We designed it accordingly so it's providing 2 tons of heating and cooling with proper airflow across this entire first floor. The real challenge came up on the second floor. With those sloped walls, that made it a real challenge to get anything to run straight. So as you can see, we had to run our lines on the inside of the walls. As you can see right here, we had to run it through the bathroom. And it goes without saying, but we're running refrigeration line sets, drain, and electrical to all of these units. So the last part of our installation is the Navien 95% combination boiler. We're really happy about this because what we're taking out was an 80% cast iron boiler with a large indirect water heater. Our 95% system is going to save our customer a lot of energy, and it's going to provide tankless, endless hot water for them as well. Our customer is very energy conscious. All of the equipment that we've installed in this home is going to help them get a return back and savings on their energy. They're even going to be installing wireless thermostats like this Nest, which is going to allow a residual savings all season long. We wanted to thank our customer once again for letting us perform another installation in their home. For more information on systems like this, visit our website at call128.com or give us a call at 888-CALL128. Thanks for watching.